Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make 5 easy instant pot freezer meals that you can also do with the slow cooker if you would like. Let's get started. Okay, before we get started, we're going to go over a couple things that we're going to need. You're going to need Ziploc bags. What we like to do is write the directions and the name of the dish right on the top. We also found these on Amazon. These are Ziploc baggie holders. They're super convenient, super easy to use, and they help the bag stay open so that you don't have to fuss with that. If you do want a set of these, you can get them on Amazon. We do have an affiliate link in the description below. We do get a small kickback and it helps the channel so we can grow and do more videos like this. So the first dish we're gonna make is orange chicken. We're gonna start with 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We diced them into about 1-inch squares, and we're just gonna go ahead and dump them in. Just like that. Next up is 1 12 to 18 ounce jar of orange marmalade. And we're just gonna pour that right over the chicken breast. Okay, then we need 1/4 cup soy sauce. Finally, we need 1 cup of BBQ sauce. Okay, once all your ingredients are in, go ahead and take it off the stand. You're gonna wanna get as much air out as you can so you don't get freezer burn. And then just mix it up just a little bit. And that one's ready to go. Up next is red beans and rice. The first thing you're gonna need is 16 ounces of smoked sausage. Okay, up next you wanna add 1 16-ounce bag of dried kidney beans. Then add 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Then you also want 2 cans of water. Okay, so up next is going to be 2 teaspoons of your favorite Cajun seasoning. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. And then the last thing is a 1/2 cup equal parts celery, onion, and bell pepper. Okay, zip it up. Make sure to get all that air out. And it's ready for the freezer. Okay, up next is spaghetti. We're making the meat sauce now, and then the day of, you'll want to make the spaghetti separate, and then just add the meat sauce on top of your spaghetti when you're ready to eat. We start off with 1 pound browned and drained beef, 1 can Italian stewed tomatoes. This one is 14.5 ounces. Okay, 2 cans, 15-ounce tomato sauce. Followed by 1 can of water. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 1 teaspoon dried basil. A teaspoon of oregano. 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon onion powder. All right, zip it up, get the air out, and that's meal number 3. Okay, for meal number 4, we're doing beef stroganoff. You're gonna start with 1 pound browned, drained hamburger meat. Into the bag. 1 can, this is 10.5 ounces cream of mushroom soup. 1 14-ounce can of beef broth. 1 packet brown gravy mix. And 1 10-ounce bag of Asian vegetables. You can have these with mushrooms or without. Our kids don't like mushrooms, so we just got without mushrooms. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and zip this one up. The day of, you're gonna wanna make egg noodles, and this will pour over the top of the egg noodles. Again, make sure you get all the air out. Zip it up, and just give it a little mix. There you go. Okay, the last one we're gonna do today is buffalo ranch chicken. We're gonna start by adding 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay, 1 cup of your favorite buffalo wing sauce. 1 1-ounce packet of ranch salad dressing mix. 3 tablespoons of butter. 1 half cup of water. 1 whole stalk of celery chopped up. 1 12-ounce bag frozen carrots. Okay, zip it up and get all the air out. So a couple tips to make this all go smoothly is 1, you're gonna wanna lay them all flat in the freezer so it takes up less space. 2, the night before, you're gonna wanna take whichever meal it is that you're gonna have and set it in your fridge and let it thaw overnight. It'll fit in the Instant Pot or the slow cooker a lot easier when it's thawed. The recipes along with the shopping list will be down below in the description. Also, if you liked these, they came out super handy for us. The link for this is down below. Again, we do get a little kickback from Amazon when you purchase these, and it helps the shop. So if you want to support the channel, then go ahead and pick a set of these up, and we'll see you next week for our next video.